Hey, good morning. April 4th. It's Wednesday. It's, what do they call it? Hump Day, right? So, I was thinking last night, I was listening to this Rolling Stones song, and the song is Rock in a Hard Place. And I was thinking about every business owner that we deal with, and they're all between a rock and a hard place. Every one of them, whether they're dealing with their employees, their vendors, their unions, their insurance companies, their bankers, their customers, they're all between a rock and a hard place, right? So every day that you are thinking about what your next strategic move is in your business, there's always this give and take to what you're trying to accomplish. But every owner, no matter how successful, no matter how disciplined, no matter how happy they are with their world, is between a rock and a hard place, because sometimes you just can't make everybody win. And as an owner, you really can't care so much about that. You have to do what's best for your business. And if you do what's best for your business, you will typically, usually, most of the time, do what's best for your employees, your customers, your vendors, your bankers, all the other crazy people. But every owner is between a rock and a hard place. And if you've never heard the song, Google it, Rolling Stones, Rock in a Hard Place. I respect that's where you're at as an owner, but only you can get yourself out of that. Have a good Wednesday.